You'll need 4 cans kidney beans rinsed, 1 bell pepper, 1 onion, 2 cloves garlic, 1/2 cup cheddar cheese, 1 can tomato sauce. Sauté minced garlic, chopped onion, and chopped pepper in about 1/4 cup water until tender. Add beans, tomato sauce, and a bit of cheese. Mix and place in a casserole dish. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 50 minutes, stirring occasionally. Top with remaining cheese and bake another 5 minutes. Enjoy!
Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content. We would love to hear your feedback through the survey link in the show notes.